Kelsey Wright, and I'm in 8th grade, and I'm in CTAE Jones. We are in, the class that we are in is CTAE Jones, and for the most part what we do in here is, well, we're starting to make our obstacle courses for our drone race. We have our different groups. I'm in my own group. I'm in a group called The Essence. So basically what we're doing is we're setting our obstacle course to see who could get through the obstacle course faster and make it to our finishing line better. What have I learned about drones being in this class? I actually learned a lot. Like different career paths. For example, like real estate. I could use drones while because I'm trying to be a real estate agent, so I could use drones to help my clients see like what they're getting, and like they can see the full land and like the 360 pictures and all that.
My name is Elijah Crowder, and I'm in 8th grade, and I go to the school at the Cab Academy of Technology and Environment, and I am in CTAE Drones. Some good stuff that I learned here in CTAE Drones was more of how I wanted to focus on my career as photography, videography. So I've been trying to know as much as I can for drones, because some drones are used in film studios of the sorts, like when there are high up shots that normal people cannot reach. That's where drones would come in. And some bad things, not necessarily bad things, but cons to this class are learning the controls of said drones and how they operate correctly, and making sure that your drone is able to take off properly.
Alright, this is